So, children, from here, the second part of this explanation is about the types of networks. We need to understand what are the actual types of networks. In the previous class, we discussed about the classifications of networks. Right now, we are going to understand the types of networks, how the networks are framed actually. There are basically three different types of networks exist in the network technology. These are LAN. Number one is LAN, number two is MAN, and number three is WAN. So the first one is about local area network. The full form of LAN stands for local area network. When the computers are connected with each other, let us understand with a diagram a bit, it will be more understandable. When the computers are connected with each other, computers are connected means we are actually talking about the workstations are connected with each other with one single network, and they can access any printer or any informations they can access. So that type of networks is called local area network. In area network, the number of computers are actually limited. Maybe 100, 200, thousands number of computers can be connected with a small network. So that can be performed maybe within an office, maybe in a hospital, maybe in a school campus, maybe in a university campus. Such kind of networks are called local area network or LAN. So in LAN networks, computers are limited, the workstations are limited. So that we can understand. This is why the name is it's named after, like, local. Local means in a very small place within a limited area. The next one is about the MAN or metropolitan area network. So what do we actually mean by this word metropolitan area network? When a network is built, when clients are added with each other, maybe in a big metropolitan city, or a more number of users are connected with each other with a particular network. So maybe that network is a local net. The network can be a small e-commerce network which performs a business maybe within the city, maybe within the particular town. So where 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs, 20 lakhs, this number of computers are connected with each other or devices are connected with each other, that kind of networks we consider metropolitan area network or MAN. Metropolitan area network or MAN. When this network is in a wide area, in the sense in a very maybe within a continent, maybe in a country to country, this kind of big networks, when we frame that kind of networks, are called wide area network. Okay, maybe billions and billions number of computers or clients, maybe workstations are connected with a single network. Example Google, example Flipkart, example Amazon. These are the big networks where it is maybe overseas networks, maybe a continent to continent, maybe a country to country, maybe a state to state, big wide area network. That kind of networks are known as WAN. So if you look at this picture which is given in the slide number 11, if you look at this picture, we can understand how this WAN is framed. Here there are some switch which is bigger version of or smaller version of router connected with some servers. Three servers are connected, they're connected with one router. And there's a second part which is like three clients are connected with one single switch, they're connected with the same router. And here is three computers or three clients connected with one switch, they're connected with the left side router. And two servers, only two servers connected with this left side router. And both the routers are connected wirelessly connected with each other, router to router. So it's a big concept of network in which these computers or clients, they're sharing informations with each other just by getting connected, just by through the networks provided by the routers. So in this concept, the concept of IP, internet protocol, subnet mask, such concept comes. This diagram is really very important, and it will definitely come in exam. If we talk about the benefits of network, which is given in this slide number 12, what are the benefits of this networks, using the network? Number one is information sharing. As I said it earlier, that when we use network, we actually, the purpose of using network is to share informations. Maybe that can be a file, document, softwares, updates, anything it could be. Okay, just by sharing informations, files, documents from one end to the other end, maybe within the office from one side to other side. That way we can, for that purpose we can use network. The next one is about hardware sharing. As in the in the first video I explained how we can share a particular printer in the network. Maybe there are 100 users, can all 100 users, all 100 clients can use one single printer. If the printer is connected within a network, can access a printer. Next one is about the software sharing. Software sharing means when, suppose client number one needs to take a printer, needs to update the particular software on which they're working. Client number two also needs the same. Client number three also needs the same. So that way they can share the software updates. Softwares, they can share softwares or software updates, updation of antivirus, anything, whatever is required, can be controlled by a server computer. So that can only be done when the clients are connected with a network. That time only it's possible. The next one is about collaborative environment. Collaborative environment means when some users or some clients are working under a same project. Suppose a software development company, they works on a particular project. So client number one have coded till this much. Next client is developing the second part of the software. Third user is developing or coding the third part of the software on the same project they're working. So that things can be done when all these clients are under a same network. So these benefits usually comes in exams, so we need to understand this benefits of networks very nicely. I believe my explanation is very clear to everyone. If there is any doubts and confusions, please feel free to ask me. Till then, thank you so much. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Take care, everyone. Thank you.